Hi guys, it's me, Julier, and today I want to show you how I make a 3D custom logo in Blender. This is my final result. I'm already has been record the video, but he's failed. Yeah, and I'm start again. Okay. First step. Oh, sorry. This is my result. This logo, and let's get started. Open the Illustrator. I already have a text. Press T and write text. Okay. And export in PNG file this text and open the Photoshop. Upsize him, and we need to use filter and liquify. Okay. We have this brush forward warp tool and size maybe 115. Okay, and we can do this. Okay guys, logo is done. It's similar what I do in last video, like this. And now I need to export this in JPEG file in desktop. Okay, and move in Illustrator. Okay. Now need to window, image trace and trace. Need to mod black and white trace. Okay, and now logo in SVG file. Now need to object, image trace and expand. Press A and delete this and this. And now we have a logo. In Illustrator we can use pencil and more customing logo. Okay guys, logo is done. It's just for example, and use all, and in Pathfinder need to window Pathfinder and click this unit. Okay, and now we can window asset export, and in SVG file we need to export. Okay, now we need to open the Blender, guys. Open the Blender and need to file, import, SVG, and use your SVG. Okay. Scale and geometry to origin. Okay, convert to mesh. Tap A and extrude. Let this remesh. Remesh and apply. And in sculpting mode, need to I will delete. Yes, in sculpting mode, need to choose smooth brush and smooth logo. It's easy. Okay, and use render and use material. This. Okay. In hue material we need to use noise texture, color ramp, these settings, and Musgrave texture and bump. Copy the settings, it's easy, and that's all. we can render it, and you will be have a good custom logo for 5 minutes. Okay, I delete this and will be use this. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.